The Wisconsin Department of Health Services presents Interior Work Practices. This video will cover establishing interior containment, covering immovable objects, setting up signs, barriers, and flapped entry doors, final cleaning, visual inspection, cleaning verification, and bagging waste. These topics will be covered as if we were conducting work at a real job site from start to finish. The supplies needed include heavy-duty plastic sheeting, cutting tools, tape, orange cones, barrier tape and warning signs, tape measure, disposable tack pad, stapler, dowel, a HEPA vacuum, garden sprayer, wet wipes, flashlight, and your PPE. Interior final cleaning. Once the work has been completed, your tools need to be removed from the work area before you can start cleaning. Vacuum off the tools with a HEPA vacuum or wipe them down with wet wipes. Using the plastic runners and tack pads, workers can take tools out of the work area. Step 1. The first step of interior cleaning is to wrap, seal, or bag all components and other materials or debris that has been created during the renovation work. HEPA vacuum off the plastic and remove this waste from the work area and place in the appropriate waste containers. Step 2. Working top to bottom and from the innermost region of the work area towards the entry door, vacuum off the walls and plastic sheeting using a HEPA vacuum. You'll want to also HEPA vacuum yourself off at this point. Step 3. Mist the plastic sheeting and fold the dirty side inward when removing it. Either seal the edges of the folded plastic with tape or place it in a heavy-duty plastic bag. This plastic needs to be disposed of, and any garbage bags need to be properly goosenecked and sealed and then vacuumed off. Bagging waste. The proper method for bagging waste is as follows. First of all, be sure not to overfill the bag or you will not get a proper gooseneck. Gather the open end of the bag just below the neck and insert the HEPA vacuum. Use the vacuum to remove excess air from the bag. This will prevent the bag from popping during disposal. Remove the vacuum hose and twist the neck of the bag to form an 8 to 10 inch column. Fold the twisted column over on itself in a similar manner of how you would fold a hose over on itself to cut off the flow of water. Grasp the folded neck of the bag with one hand and wrap tape tightly around the folded neck to secure the fold in place. Now wrap the tape about 2 or 3 inches from the top of the fold several times so the bag cannot come open, and this should leave a nice loop handle at the top. Lastly, then you'll want to use the HEPA vacuum to remove any dust and debris from the exterior of the bag. Continuing interior final cleaning. Step 4. Clean all surfaces within the work area and 2 feet beyond the work area until no dust or debris remains. Start cleaning at the top of the wall and work down to the floor. HEPA vacuum or wet wipe the walls and other surfaces within the work area. HEPA vacuum all remaining surfaces in the work area including furniture or fixtures. Use an upholstery brush attachment for the window surfaces and a crevice tool along the edges of walls. Use a HEPA vacuum with a beater bar for carpeting, and make sure that you vacuum slowly and in 2 directions when vacuuming the carpet. Step 5. Wipe or mop all remaining surfaces and objects in the work area except for the carpeted and upholstered areas. Mop uncarpeted floors using a 2-bucket method or wet mopping. Mop stroke should be in a long S motion. Again, work from the end furthest from the work area entrance back to the entrance, making sure to never step back onto the areas that have already been cleaned. Step 6. After completion of the cleaning procedure, check your work. Conduct a careful visual inspection of the work area for visible dust and debris. If visible dust and debris is found, repeat the cleaning procedure. At this point, the T-door can be taken down, but the barriers and do not enter signs need to remain in place. Uncertified workers can look for dust and debris, but only a certified, lead-safe renovator can conduct the final visual inspection and the cleaning verification.